Good afternoon, students. These many days after a long time again we started our YouTube channel and our online classes regarding 6th to 10th class and inter first year and second year. Today onwards already yesterday I mentioned the timetable for the students those who taken admission in online. So at last tomorrow onwards we are going to start our online classes. So today just we will discuss about the next concept in the chemical bonding chapter. Till we discussed about chemical bonding part 2 completed. In part 2 we discussed about ionic bond only. Now second topic in the ionic bond in the chemical bonding, second topic is covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Covalent bond means mutual sharing of electrons between two same kind or different kind of atoms. Mutual sharing of electrons between two same kind or different kind of atoms. That is known as covalent bond. So here mutual sharing of electrons between two same kind or different kind of atoms. To give covalent bond. So here in this covalent bond, now we will discuss about the types of covalent bonds. Types, how many types are there and what are those examples for each and every one. So here this covalent bond again classified into two types. One classification is based upon number of electrons sharing between two atoms, and second classification is based upon equal or unequal number of electrons sharing between two atoms. So like this we classified into two types. First classification is based upon number of electrons shared between two atoms. Second classification is based upon equal or unequal number of electrons shared between atoms. So like this we will discuss about two classifications in the covalent bond. Now we will discuss about one by one classification. It is the first classification and it is the second classification. Next, first classification I will discuss number of electrons shared between two atoms. Number of electrons shared between two atoms. This classification again classified into three types. One is a single covalent bond. Second, double covalent bond. Third, triple covalent bond. Single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond. Single covalent bond. What is meant by single covalent bond means only one electron shared between two atoms. That is known as single covalent bond. Here example is H2 molecule. Best example is H2, F2, Cl2, Br2, I2. Those are the examples for single covalent bond. How they are going to form? After this we will discuss about these two, double and triple. First one is single covalent bond. How they are formed? For example, take H2 molecule. Hydrogen atomic number is 1, configuration 1s1. So according to Lewis dot method, hydrogen having only one dot, that is a one valence electron. So here second hydrogen also same thing, 1s1. At last it is also having one more dot. So like this, two hydrogens comes to close with each other like this. This is the first hydrogen, this is their electron. The second hydrogen, their electron. Now both hydrogens will share electron between them. So here first hydrogen shares one electron from second hydrogen. Second hydrogen shares one electron from the first hydrogen. So here bond is going to form. At last this appears H bond H, it is gives H2 molecule. So here it is the formation of H2 molecule in the covalent bond. That is the single covalent bond. Next F2 molecule Cl2 Br2 I2. Like this we can say more examples like this. So next example we will discuss about F2 molecule. F2 molecule, fluorine. Fluorine atomic number is 9. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So valence electrons contain 7 electrons. At last fluorine contains 7 dots around it. 7 dots. That 7 dots explains about the number of valence electrons in the atom. So here 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this. So here 7 dots will be there. So these three are the lone pairs. These three are the lone pair bonding electron it is. So like that second fluorine also contains like that only. So here formation of F2 molecule, this bonding electron I am writing this side is the bonding electron of fluorine. Rest of three lone pairs are as it is. It is the second fluorine. It is the valence bonding electron, and these three are the lone pairs. Now this fluorine is going to share one electron from another fluorine. So here one electron shared. Second fluorine also shares one more electron. Finally bond will be going to form between two fluorines. At last it appears F bond F to gives F2 molecule. This is the formation of a single covalent bond in the fluorine atom. I hope you understand everybody. Next double covalent bond. Second one is double covalent bond. Double covalent bond. Example is oxygen molecule O2. O2 molecule. So here according to electronic configuration, oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2, 3s2, 2p4. At last, how many electrons are there? 6 valence electrons. 6 valence electrons are there. It appears according to Lewis dot method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 2 lone pairs are there. 2 bonding electrons are there. These two are the lone pairs. These two are the bonding electron. Like that, second oxygen also will be like that. So here, 2 oxygens are comes to close with each other, and 2 bonding electrons I am writing this side. The second oxygen, 2 bonding electrons. Rest of 2 lone pairs is as this. Next to this oxygen, 2 lone pairs are as this. Now, first oxygen shares 2 electrons from the second oxygen. Second oxygen shares 2 electrons from the first oxygen. Finally, here 2 bonds will be formed. That is the double bond. That is it appears O double bond O to gives O2 molecule. This is the formation of O2 molecule in the double covalent bond. Next, triple covalent bond. That is example of N2 molecule is a triple covalent bond. Third one, nitrogen atomic number 7. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Finally, how many valence electrons are there? 5. So nitrogen, according to Lewis dot method, 5 valence electrons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 lone pair, 3 bonding electrons. Now second nitrogen also will be like that. So The formation of nitrogen molecule, nitrogen contains 3 bonding electrons. Second nitrogen also same thing, 1, 2, 3. It is a lone pair. It is a lone pair. Now this nitrogen shares 3 electrons from the second nitrogen. This nitrogen shares 3 electrons from the first nitrogen. Finally, 3 bonds will be there between 2 nitrogens. So it appears N triple bond N. It gives N2 molecule. This is the formation of triple covalent bond in the N2 molecule. This is the first classification of covalent bond. Next, second classification we will discuss in next class. Thank you.